What up, what up, what up? Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be putting on the coilovers on the little Civic. Finally, it's not gonna be looking all 4x4. I got these off of Amazon. They were like $2 something. I would probably compare them to, what's that one cheap one that everyone buys? Godspeed? No, Godspeed? No. There's some other one. Raceland. I'd probably compare it to that if I had to compare it to something. I mean, just feeling them alone, they feel okay. But for this little thing, it should be okay. We got Mr. Box right here. So it looks like good quality, dude.
Yeah, they'll be blown in about 1,000 miles.
We're gonna be bouncing all over the place in 500 miles, but we already have the jack in there. We're gonna go ahead and do the rear first. Very simple. We'll take off the tire and show you what we got on bolt. I'm gonna go ahead and throw them on like this. I'm not gonna mess with the height right now. I'm gonna just throw them on, lower the car, and then go from there. It'll probably be the easiest thing than me messing with it. It'll probably be dropped. It'll drop it for sure, something the way it is right now. So let's just give it a try. Pretty easy. We gotta unbolt this one, and on top of this, through the hatch, I gotta open it. There's like 3 little 12 or 14 millimeters bolts. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Simple to take off, simple to install. I got one of them out. Time to throw on the new one. Here's that one. Easy peasy.
Already ran into our first problem with?
What? It's in there. Took me like 4 or 5 tightening up the top hat. So we got the 2 rear on, but this one we just left it how it came in the box, so it's still a little too high. I adjusted this one all the way to the lowest point it could go. It looks better, and I think it'll still drop another ½ an inch once it settles, but for sure it looks way better now. Let me close the hatch. Oh yeah, way better. Now we're just gonna raise it up and adjust it real quick, and then drop it and do the front. We adjusted this side. What do you guys think so far? I think it looks pretty damn good. For sure we're gonna have to fender roll. Oh yeah, that's in there. I'll probably do it with a bat or something. Someone must have a bat. Yep. We're gonna pull out the car and then do the front now. We got the front end raised. Let's go ahead and start. So we did it to the lowest possible. Ooh,
Perfect fitment, bro.
I think the rear is a little lower than the front, but hey, that's pretty good. What do you think? It's pretty good.
Bad.
Yep. The rear we might raise it like ½ an inch so it could match the front. But yeah, it's pretty good so far. 3/4 of the way there. Mr. Box is just doing the last one. Pretty much done. We're gonna have to fender roll for sure. I don't know if I'll do that this right now. It's hot as hell, so I low-key don't feel like doing it. We'll put this lip on though, the lip got here. Might as well, since it's kind of in the air. I'll show you guys when we're done. Tightening up the wheel. Let's see how it looks. Night and day difference what suspension and wheels does to a car. I mean, it still looks ugly, but not that ugly no more. It looks pretty damn good, I think. Slow motion for me.
Ready?
We're ready. Ooh.
Straight tucking, bro. Oh, my jack got stuck.
It got stuck? Oh.
Part of the low life, bro.
Part of the static life, Brody. Yep, looks good. Now we have to jack it up and put something on the bottom, some wooden plank or something. What do you guys think? What do you think, Boomax?
Need some camber now.
A little bit of camber, yeah, and for sure on alignment. Way better. I feel like it's tucking right here more than the other side, but I don't know. Look at that fitment. Needs a good little car wash, good wash. Time to daily this bad boy. We're gonna daily this thing today. We got AC working.
Fuck yeah, we're gonna die.
Need to put a bolt right here. Yeah, we do. Looking like a little race car. So before ending it, we actually put the front lip, just self-tapped them, and we did roll the fenders with a good old jack handle. You guys can see the marks right here, but way more clearance. We're gonna go on the first test drive, me and Mr. Box, see how it feels. I'm pretty sure it's gonna rub in the front, but it's part of the game. I think just part of it, no big deal. Let's try it out.
Here we have it behind the scenes.
We gotta put a quick picture in the gram. Oh yeah.
Looks pretty racer, but it's cool.
This is one of the first test drives.
Might break down, so we'll let you guys know. First test drive through the streets of unknown. Sorry, can't let you guys know.
Streets of Mexico. How do you feel, bro? I feel accomplished. It was a pretty easy build, pretty fun. I have a feeling the lip. I have a feeling we're gonna lose the lip in this little first test drive. I still don't like the exhaust, but it's decent.
Yeah, I can smell the tire already, bro.
Whew. Let's see over something. Oh, that lip. We're losing that lip. Is that the rear? AC's blowing cold.
Oh, you guys want to see when B-Tech hits?
I like it. What do you think?
Pretty good.
It's not too bad.
Not bouncy at all. Pretty stiff.
For $200 and something coilovers, what do you expect?
Pretty stiff.
We put the suspension in there's those grinds still. It's not bad.
Check out the spooky headliner, guys. Happy Halloween.
We're in Halloween season, bro.
Oh yeah.
Did you get a ticket for no hood?
Only one way to find out, bro.
No hood and no tags.
That's cool.
Good thing we have the title right here. They pull us over. We got the title. It's not bad.
Race cars don't use hoods, bro, so it's cool.
No insurance tampoco.
We're bad boys.
I think we're pretty safe, no? No overheating, nothing.
Drive it like you stole it. AC words. Radio from 1999.
For decoration purposes only. Brother!
Oh, we got another one over there.
He's not about that low life though.
Some of you guys are spoiled and don't know about this. Yeah, race car.
Check out.
Yeah, you're missing it, bro.
Why didn't you get it from me at the junkyard?
You didn't even pay me.
Shit. Downshifts like butter.
Yeah, don't do that shit again. It's embarrassing.
That's how you bang gears, bro. Flat foot shifting in this shit.
eBay special.
What? No, that's a Tony. Hey, but honestly, it runs pretty good.
Not
It
bad.
feels pretty good. I feel like we outdid ourselves this time.
Running up to Peter's house, the master mechanic.
Out of all the builds, I think we outdid ourselves with this one. We went the cheapest route this time, and it actually turned out the best. I like this. I like this. Woo! Mira, mira. Ay. What do you think Pedro's gonna think?
Oh.
You think Pedro's gonna approve?
Probably not, but
I'm a mad man. Oh, that thing's hot, sticky. You see the tire right there?
yeah.
We got Mr. Pedro over here. What are your first thoughts on this bad boy?
Doesn't look like crap anymore.
Should we throw in a eBay turbo on it or what?
We have one sitting right there.
We could throw it on with a, what's that one thing called? Not the ECU, they use another cheap ass thing to tune it, that one.
Your little AutoZone thing.
Yeah.
It looks pretty good though.
We could take road trips now.
My favorite thing is the grill and headlights.
The hood, see-through.
But
I think once we could start taking trips now, going to car meets, they won't make fun of us no more.
no, they'll still make fun of us.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
Oh.
if you pull up like this, yeah, definitely. I mean, the only good thing it has is the wheels, pretty much.
3-piece. It's not bad.
Well, yeah. The wheels consist of one piece is the rim, another one is a tire, and the other one the center cap.
Oh yeah. You gotta go with that 3-piece way. We're gonna have to do a roller paint job. Bring out the paint.
It's
Yeah.
beautiful. What I like the most, also, come over here this way. I don't have the Viper alarm installed yet, but take a little glance at my spooky Halloween themed headline.
Oh yeah.
That we're gonna leave. We're gonna leave that. Same
We're gonna leave this all October.
for the whole month of October. Yeah.
Oh, I think we'll worry about it in November.
Planning on no.
Mid-November?
November, we're gonna airbrush a turkey on the headliner.
We're gonna say that's the feathers of the turkey, the tail. So we're gonna worry about it. Christmas. We could say it's a Christmas themed car. It's red and black.
And black, yeah, it's pretty much. It looks like
All seasons.
Santa's sled already.
Yeah, it's
Beat
not
up.
bad. Well, there you guys have it. That's Pedro's reaction.
Long tail header.
But this is where we're gonna end this episode for real now. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys. Doo-doo.